What do this bird and this bottle have in common? Absolutely nothing. This week, we're going to be making an Umbrella Bird bottle opener ring. We're going to talk about how to get inspired when you're feeling stuck, and tips with tolerances when making rings that open bottles, what's good about clear resin, and the pros and cons of spray painting it. We're going to be talking about why you should be testing your 3D prints, and how to sculpt for metal prints. And the ultimate question, will this ring open a bottle? The shuffler told me to make an Umbrella Bird bottle opener ring with tolerances, so I accepted the challenge. Then I had to figure out, what the heck is this bird? It's a South American bird that sounds like a didgeridoo with an umbrella on its head. So I got inspired and I started sketching. I started making up ideas for how I want this bottle opener ring to work. And then, you also have to get your measurements because you want to make sure that the tolerances work, right? So then I got all my measurements and, started designing. So if you want to learn 3D print design, you can go over to my website at ptt.live. So then I popped open Blender and started making a bottle ring. First, you want to make a ring and a bottle. Then start drawing and sculpting the bird face to fit it to the bottle. Then we're going to add some eyes and then sculpt in some medium details, not to get too crazy. Create a waddle and then spin it on out, and then we're going to sculpt in some feathers and just pop it on out, make it look super crazy. Then we're going to add some textures with some sculpting brushes, and then sculpt in the finer details to get that extra pop. And if you want to start sculpting, check out my classes. When 3D printing with clear resin, we're going to add the tiny supports so they're easy to remove. And then once you've got your supports removed, then you can just dunk it in some alcohol. And I've noticed that if you do it quick, it won't get super foggy. Then we're just going to cure it in the sun and let it bake and really cure and be, looking good. Next, if you want, you can spray paint it, which I think looks really cool, and it's totally optional. Now that it's 3D printed, we got to know, can this ring open a bottle? That is the question. Today's the day we test if the ring will open a bottle. Oh, and it doesn't, but that's okay. It's just not strong enough because of the PLA. So, you know what? I tried other things. I tried this metal filament. I tried different temperatures. I tried big layers, but nothing was enough. So now I'm going to try it and do it in metal so I can get super details and super strength. Let me know what you think, or if I should try any other methods before ordering it in metal. Well, now you know what this Umbrella Bird and this bottle have in common. This bottle opener ring. So hopefully if you get stuck, you can try our shuffler and get some ideas going. Always remember to get your measurements in the software so you can make stuff, and quick wash your clear resin so it's not foggy. Spray painting doesn't work too well, but it looks pretty cool. And the more details, the better for sculpting metal. This ring does not open, but that's okay. We live, we learn, and I'm going to keep on going.